Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. Today we're going to do two abstract DIY which are from med.com. This is the two abstracts that we're going to do today. I'm going to do this one and this one. These ones are currently on sale on their website for £99. But I'm going to show you how to make them for less than literally £5. For this DIY, you will need a permanent marker pen, a pencil, A3 plain paper or whatever choice of frame that you've got that you want to do the artwork on. I'm recycling this one because I don't have A3 plain paper, so I'm just going to use this one, but I'm going to use the back of it, which is not going to show once I frame the picture. Just to stress out the abstract before going in with paint or marker pen or whatever you've got to use. If you make a mistake, just rub it off. That's why we're using a pencil, to just make it easy to make any correction that we need to make. That is not straight. So this is how it's looking so far, which I'm happy with, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys, if you decide to use a marker, how it's gonna look like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up the poster by just getting rid of any pencil marks. So for the second abstract, we're gonna go in again using a pencil first before using a marker to just trace over it. So if you make any mistake while you're using a pencil, you can just rub it off and carry on, so that it will be nice and neat without any messy. this is how it's looking after doing the sketch. Now I'm going to go in with my marker pen and just trace out what I've just drawn.